Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today video title is guys mobile network problem setting in our Xiaomi phone. Guys, you have problem guys your mobile network setting. So guys, don't worry guys. In this video guys, I will show you guys how can you solve and guys how can you reset your mobile network problem in your Vivo. Oh guys, sorry, Xiaomi phone. So first of all guys, what will you have to do guys? You will have to click on guys your phone setting to solve your mobile data means mobile network problem. Then guys scroll and guys you can see your connection and sharing. So guys tap here. Then guys again scroll it. Then guys you can see your reset setting. So guys tap here. As you can see your mobile data reset setting. So we will tap here and okay. So as you can see guys your setting has been reset. Then guys you can use guys your mobile data without any problem. After that guys you have any problem guys, so I don't worry, take a screenshot of your phone model number guys and may send me on comment section. I will check, I will help you guys. Thanks for watching my video guys. And friend, do you have any doubt in your Xiaomi phone, so you can ask me in comment section. I will help you. Bye bye, thanks for watching.